Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the first build. Install Flutter SDK and open Android Studio. Once done, enable an emulator or connect a device with USB debugging. Create a new app using Flutter Create My App, then import that folder into Android Studio. Make sure to accept required SDK licenses and set the Flutter and Dart plugins. This gets you to a runnable project quickly, so you can iterate without wasting time on optional tooling. Once your project is open, set the Flutter SDK path in Android Studio Preferences and confirm the Dart plugin is active. Make sure the target device or emulator is selected, then resolve any Gradle updates Android Studio prompts for. Those ensure build compatibility. Run Flutter pub get to fetch packages and check main. Dart has a valid run app call. When you press run, Studio builds the app and installs it on the device. Watch the console for build progress and initial errors. To finish, verify the app behaves on device and iterate. Use hot reload for UI tweaks and full restart for code that changes state. If the build fails, run Flutter clean, then Flutter pub get and rebuild. That solves many caching issues. For stubborn errors, run Flutter run v to inspect verbose logs and search for Gradle or manifest clues. Make sure min SDK version and package names match your configuration. One common fix is correcting an incorrect Android manifest entry before rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.